Maybe they are.
Here comes another one.
Oh, they're picking on that one. Hey! They're picking at it. How's that?
They're picking at what?
They're picking at the white one. The gray one. He's like biting it. Or maybe it's like a courtship thing. I don't know. Why doesn't it just fly away?
I don't know.
I mean, it was badass enough to go down and like pick that thing up from the sea and bring it back to shore.
I don't know.
So why doesn't it kick the other one's ass?
Maybe we should go down and help them. Should we go help them? What the hell are they doing?
It's like they don't even want the, like one of them doesn't even want the food. It's just like keeping it away from the food so the other one can eat. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
What the hell would be their motivation?
Are they two different types of birds?
Uh-oh. So maybe they're going to share now. Maybe one had to show dominance or something. I don't know. Dude, are you just going to take that?
Me?
No.
Oh, darn. The
white
birdies. Yeah. What's the other birdie doing?
I don't know, but it looks like that other bird has it easy. All it has to do is like walk around and eat while the other one fights off the white one. And the white one doesn't really seem to mind. I mean, if I were the white one, I guess I'd be flapping my wings and like pecking back. I don't know.
You don't know?
Well, he fished for whatever the hell it was that he dragged out of the ocean. He has a right to it. The other one's taking it.
I wonder if like birds look at people like that.
It's like they're sharing it though. Okay, so maybe they're gonna get along now. They share their noms for some kind of pecking order ritual.
The white one's probably male and the other ones are probably female. I don't know though. Pretty birds are male.
Most of them are. They have to have good looks because they don't have much else going for them.
Yeah. Right. You gotta pay your child support. I got the damn fish, bitch. You catch your own.
They're gonna chase after her. She's like, well, I'm just gonna fly over.
Okay.
Maybe it's a crab that they have and they have to crack open the shell.
Oh. I can't tell. It's too far away.
Yeah,
What?
it is. I can see it. It's red and it's making a clacking sound. It's a crab. There, they have to break through the shell.
I even pointed the camera at the right spot. I can't. Where'd they go? They fly away.
Well, the boy's out there in the middle of the cove, and then the girl is over there to the left, still working on the crab. And I don't. Yeah, there's the other one. She's leaving. She's gonna go find it. Steel crab. And he's, I guess, gonna go fish some more or go to bed.
Okay.